Hey, it's your girl Nicole Dominique. I'm so glad you joined me. If you have never been here before, I'm going to give you my beauty profile and we're going to jump right into my first impressions with my new Shiseido brush. A very unique brush. I can't wait to show you guys. So if you haven't been here before, I am nearly 50. I have fine lines, I have combination skin, I have definitely eczema, sadly. Lots of facial scarring, enormous pores, uneven texture, uneven tone, and I'm going to try to correct all of that through the magic of makeup. So as far as my face goes, I've already cleansed, I've already moisturized, and we're going to jump in with my foundation. Now I am absolutely loving this brand. I just tried it yesterday. It's amazing. Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation, SPF 15, full coverage, oil-free, shine control. I did a 12-hour longevity test with this. Feel free to see my other video about that. But we are going to start with this. And this particular color, what do we have here? 2.5 Warm Sand. I think I'm going to order it in a different color. I feel that this particular color has a little bit of a yellow undertone that I am not super pumped about. I'm not the most adept person at picking out shades. So we're going to be applying that with my Sephora Precise Airbrush Foundation brush. Next, using my Pro Stipple Concealer from Sephora number 52, we're going to apply a little bit of concealer. And I am currently stuck on L'Oreal's Infallible Full Wear number 345 Oatmeal. Now it's worth noting that I do not have any primer on. I went with moisturizer only and went straight in with my foundation. So this is the box that my Shiseido brush arrived in. It is known as a polishing face brush. And the reason I got it is I thought it had a really unique shape and I was extremely curious on how it was going to work. So once you open the box, another box. Now, this box is of course to keep the makeup brush itself from getting damaged. I'm going to show you. First of all, I have to say, I love the red color. I don't have any red brushes. Oh my goodness, it's super soft. But hopefully the camera can focus on that. You notice how it has a very unique petal shape. I really felt like that was going to be an interesting texture in terms of getting product on my face. So once I get my contour on and my blush, I'm actually going to buff the powder in using this over those products. Very, very soft. And I believe this brush was between $40 and $50. I will have it linked in the description along with everything I used on my makeup look. As always, this is not an affiliated video, this is not a sponsored video, and of course I'm not a makeup artist, I'm a makeup enthusiast. So just know that that's the perspective that I'm coming from. So using my contour brush from Sephora, I'm going to go in with my favorite contour palette, which is the Narcissus Cheek Studio. I'm going to do a little bit of contour. Next, I'm using my E13 contouring eye brush from Shaney. It's a very stiff little brush, and I like to do my nose contour with this. blush today, I'm using my NARS Mini Orgasm set. This was a set that came with blush, a little bit of shimmer, some lip balm, and some lip gloss. We are going to be using just the blush. Using my Sephora highlighter blush, I'm going to go in with a little bit of e.l.f. shimmer powder and Moonlight Glow. Now for the moment of truth. I'm going to go in with my new face buffing brush from Shiseido using my Laura Mercier loose translucent powder in 001 universal or translucent. Notice how it picks up the product on the 4 different cut heads of the brush. If this works, I kind of think it's a clever idea. It's kind of like having 4 brushes in one. So what I like about it already, it grabs the contours of your face. I feel like it picks up a good amount of product and actually makes the whole buffing process easier. And I enjoy it because it's unique. Do you have to run out and get this brush? I don't think you have to, but I do like it. I think it's unique. I think it spreads the product very quickly. It's very luxurious in terms of the feel. The bristles are soft. The handle is easy to grab. I don't know if the camera can pick up. It's got little indentions kind of for your finger that also mimics the brush head shape. I like it. I'm pleased with my purchase. So today, sugar crystals, one of my new favorite palettes. So I'm gonna go in with a Pinrose brush from Sephora using the Mint Choco. Next, using my airbrush shadow brush from Sephora, I'm going to go into the orange cream. Next, using my e.l.f. 202 crease brush, I'm going to go in with a little bit of pistachio. And I'm packing the pistachio over the orange cream. Going back in with my airbrush shadow from Sephora, and I'm just grabbing a little bit of limeade. And I'm taking my e.l.f. smudge brush and going in with a little bit of sweet and sour. And I'm taking my airbrush shadow brush, I'm wetting it down just to build up a little bit of that orange cream in the center. And I'm taking a very small brush. It's a no-name brush. I'm sorry guys, I've had some of my brushes for 15 plus years. I don't know what this is, but it's not a name brand. I'm going in with sugar crystals. I'm just gonna pop that in my inner corner. I'm taking that same brush and I'm mixing the sugar crystals that's left on the brush with a little bit of buttercream, and I'm going to smudge that on the waterline, going back into the line that I already did. I'm going to put my brows on off camera, and I'm going to use my Anastasia of Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in medium brown. I'm going to use the Brow Powder Duo in soft brown, and then I'm going to use the Brow Dip Gel in medium brown. I will be back. Oh, and the other thing I'm going to do off camera, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Liner in black. So I just threw on a little bit of my current love, Colossal Volume Cat Eyes by Maybelline. I have my eyeliner on, I have my eyebrows on, and a lot of people seem to be super afraid of green eyeshadow. I don't know why, because I think green is lovely, but some people don't like it. If you don't like green, this is probably not the look for you, but I like all the colors. I think color is amazing, and I can be different every day, and so I like it. I'm going to go in with my Kat Von D Outlaw, which is a very bright red. So I held the box up because I have no idea how to pronounce this. I can spell it. S-H-U, second word, U-E-M-U-R-A. I'm gonna look it up. But this was the top rated eyelash curler, and when my last eyelash curler, which was probably literally like about 20 years old, died, this is the one that was well recommended. You can get it on Amazon for about $17.95. Yay! Hey, do me a favor, like, subscribe, share, and comment if you're enjoying my work. Help a lady out. I hope you have an absolutely beautiful day. Thank you for sharing your time and attention with me, and may your day be beautiful. Ciao.